Hi there, and welcome to another class of file menu. We have talked about new, add a new from template, open, and all of this stuff. Like in the last class, we have studied about save and save as, the difference between save and save as. So in this tutorial, we'll try to be learning and covering all of these options. Without any further ado, let's get started. Welcome back to the world of Adobe Illustrator, my friend. So let me design something there. For example, I have designed that. Go for a file, and this time what I have to do, make sure to bring sort of a thing there. I have brought it there, and this time I have to be saving that there. I have saved that. This time go for a rounded shape and maybe change the color of that, and have a look at this, my friend, that there is a sort of option which is revert, for which the shortcut key is F12. So make sure to click there, revert, so you can see that the thing that I have recently designed is removed there because of that of the option like revert option. So this is not saved there. If you can see, I have saved that by the name of DD. Have a look at the next option, my friend. Go for place, and this time maybe just place something there, maybe going for sort of a thumbnail there, maybe taking this one. Have a look at this, my friend. I have placed that. So this is something that you can also work on it and benefit that. You can also embed that and embed that. Go for a desktop, save that. So we have got that, my friend. Let me delete that out. Go for export, export for screens, export artboard, desktop, this time go for export as what this time. So you have to be exporting that as PNG or Photoshop, so whatever you want this, you can export that. Have a look at this, my friend, and over there we have got something like quality. If you increase the file, you can have more size of that, and you can also have a color mode there like RGB or CMYK. So anyone you like, you can go for that. Have a look at this, my friend. Low, medium, high, and maximum, and we've got something as resolution. If you go for this one, have a look at this, my friend, 4 ppi. Hit OK. So I have saved that. If you enter that, have a look at the value of that, my friend. So much ugly and so much low quality. And this time if you go for one of them, like saving that there and increasing the quality of that, maybe going for 300 ppi. Let's have a look at this, my friend. Have a look at this, my friend. So this is how it is working like that. This time let's try to go for document setup. Well, this is something important because we've got a document setup. Like if you want to give points, pixels, means you want to have your artboard in what sort of thing, like pixels, points, picas, inches, and feet. So this is depending upon you. Anyone you like, you can go for that. Similarly, you can go for bleeding. Have a look at this, my friend. Bleeding area, document color mode. So if you now we are standing on CMYK color, like cyan, magenta, yellow, black color. RGB, if you want to go for RGB color, so you can be having different results, so red, green, and blue. So by default we have to be going for CMYK color, means cyan, magenta, yellow, black. Make sure to go for that. And you can also have result there, my friend. You can also have result there that we've got CMYK preview there, and we've got file info there, which is all about document name and all of the stuff that you have there, creation date, modification date, and application and format. So this is what is all about that. You can also have a print option. Let me repeat something for you, my friend, that you can be observing that each of the option is consisting on any sort of shortcut keys. So you can also go for shortcut keys while making ease for yourself. Go for print. You can also print that out, my friend. 1 copy, 2, 3. So anything you want to go for that, you have to be going for that. You can have a setup of that, my friend. Printing setup. Make sure to connect your printer there and go for that. We've got the next option for which the shortcut key is Control plus Q. Well, let me make you sure that for printing we've got shortcut key Control or the Command P, and for exit we have got Control or the Command Q button. So if you want to exit that, make sure to go for this. If you want to save that, go for yes, and if you don't want to save that, go for no. So this was what all about using some sort of interesting options like export as and all of these stuff. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. See you in my next tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. See you in my next tutorial. Till then, bye bye and take care.